Good save, Cal. Good save.
Like an English aircraft carrier.
Oh yeah, you almost put her in Lake Michigan.
You know, I wouldn't have gone that way if that plane wasn't out there.
Sorry.
All right. Awesome. Great job. Great job. All right.
You know, T-6, you're not done landing it until it's done rolling.
I was sharing some time with
like the ground loop.
yeah, with another pilot up in St. George, Utah, who's flying a big electric one, and he said the same thing. It's not over yet. It's not over yet. It's never done until it stops.
Yeah. You know, when you got full left rudder, what else are you gonna do?
Exactly. Great job, brother. Great job. Thank you, my friend.
Thank you for coming out here.
All right. All right.
It'd be a good time to eat if you want.
All right.
You want to eat? Now would be a good time.
All right. Okay. Hey, we're at the wings over Chino. Wind's picking up a little bit, but not bad. So hey, we just finished up spending some time with Cal Orr in his T-6 Texans. So thanks for watching, everybody. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Looking forward to all your comments. Cheers, everybody. Happy landing.